Okay, this is my week 22 update, race to 250K. This journey keeps proving to me that simple investing works. You just have to stay disciplined and consistent long enough to see the results work for you. That's why I keep SCHD as my core position, which I'll show you how good it did this week when I go over my portfolio positions. Every week I invest $1,100. Whether the market is up or down, I invest. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that $1,100, my weekly performance, and of course my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control. Control gives you options. Options is what gives you freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we could see the balance is $164,593.21. And SCHD had a monster week this week. So let's go over first position is DGRO. Market value is $28,853. This is 17.5% of my portfolio. Next, we have SCHD. Market value is $65,886, and this is 40% of my portfolio. So this is my dividend growth portfolio. Just today alone, SCHD is up $887 or 1.4%. My next position is SCHG. Market value is $18,166. And this is 11% of my portfolio. I just have a little growth in there so the portfolio doesn't fall behind too far. My next position is SCHX. Market value is $26,661 and it's 16.2% of my portfolio. Then we have my international position for diversification. Market value is $24,987 for VXUS, which is 15.2% of my portfolio. Next, let's get into my weekly buys. Okay, for my weekly buys, we could see I bought 14 shares of SCHD for $447. Then I bought 3 shares of DGRO for $220. Then I bought SCHX 10 shares. That was $288. Then I bought 4.2 shares of SCHG. Now that Schwab lets you buy fractional shares, there's no wasted money and every dollar is invested. All right, let's get into the portfolio performance for the week. Okay, we could see from May 18th to May 21st, excluding net contributions, the portfolio went up $1,973.77 or 1.22%. And that's not including today's big performance from SCHD. That will be on my next week's sheet. Let's see how we stacked up against the other indices. I'm at 1.22%. The Russell went up 1.82%. The S&P went up 53 basis points. The NASDAQ only went up 28 basis points. And the Dow Jones went up 1.57%. So not bad for this week. At least we didn't come in last place. We're like right in the middle of all the indices this week. Let's go over the dividend income and see what SCHD is paying. Now that we're in the dividend section, we can see the total is $3,711.83 or $309.32 per month. The goal was to try to get that to $6,000 by the end of the year. So it's looking like it's probably not going to happen, but I may make an adjustment next week and add in another 1 or 2 ETFs to help reach that goal. Let's go over each position and see what it's paying. We have DGRO. They're paying $568. Then we have SCHD. They're paying $2,099. Then we have SCHG, $67. SCHX is paying $278. Then the VXUS is paying $698 for the total of $3,711. So I might have to grab another one or two ETFs and add to my portfolio to reach my yearly goals. All right, that's going to do it for my week 22 update. Stay tuned for week 23. I may be adding a couple new ETFs.